U.S. Immigration Interview.
Good morning. Please come forward and stand here.
Good morning. I am ready.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Please wait one moment.
Okay.
What is the purpose of your visit today?
I am here for tourism and travel.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
I plan to stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay during your visit?
I will stay at a hotel in the city center.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is my first time visiting.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Do you have a return ticket with you?
Yes, I do have a return ticket.
When is your return date?
I will return on the 15th of this month.
What do you do in your home country?
I am a student at a college.
What do you study there?
I study business and management.
Do you have enough money for your stay?
Yes, I have enough money with me.
Are you carrying any food or plants today?
No, I am not carrying any food or plants.
Please look at the camera for a photo.
Okay, I am looking at it now.
Please place your fingers here for a scan.
Like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
Okay,
Everything looks good in the system.
that is great to hear.
Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. At the post office.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I want to send a package.
Sure, where would you like to send it?
I am sending it to my family.
Which country is the package going to?
It is going to Canada.
Please place the package on the counter.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. It feels a little heavy.
Yes, there are some books inside.
That is not a problem at all.
How much will it cost to send?
It depends on the service you choose.
What services do you have today?
We have regular delivery and express delivery.
Which one is cheaper for me?
Regular delivery is cheaper.
How long does regular delivery take?
It usually takes about 10 days.
That is fine for my family.
May I have the address, please?
Yes, here is the full address.
Please check the details carefully.
Everything looks correct to me.
Would you like a receipt today?
Yes, please. I would like one.
Here you go. Please keep it safe.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I feel relaxed now.
Have a nice day today.
You too. Receiving a delivery.
Hello, I have a delivery for you.
Hello. Yes, I was waiting for it today.
May I confirm your name, please?
Yes, that is me.
Thank you. Please sign here on the screen.
Sure, just one moment.
Take your time, no rush.
Okay, I have signed now.
Great, here is your package.
Thank you. It looks safe and clean.
We always handle packages carefully.
That makes me feel happy.
Is this your first delivery with us?
Yes, it is my first one.
I hope you enjoy our service.
I like it very much so far.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it feels warm and sunny.
Please check the package before I go.
Everything is fine inside.
That is great to hear.
I was a little worried before.
No need to worry at all.
I feel better now.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, that is all for now.
Thank you for choosing our service.
Thank you for your help.
Have a great day.
You too. Meeting the new neighbor.
Hello. I just moved in next door.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you like the neighborhood so far?
I like it very much. It is quiet and clean.
Yes, it is peaceful and friendly here.
Have you lived here for a long time?
Yes, I have lived here for 3 years.
That is nice to hear.
Where did you move from?
I moved from another city nearby.
Do you like this area so far?
Yes, everyone seems very friendly.
That is true. People help each other here.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do you work near this area?
Yes, I work close to here.
That is very convenient for you.
Yes, it saves a lot of time.
If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you. That is very kind.
We sometimes talk outside in the evening.
That sounds really nice.
You are welcome to join us anytime.
I would like that.
Then see you again soon.
Yes, see you soon.
Have a good day.
You too.
At the airport check-in counter.
Good afternoon. May I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here is my ticket.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I am traveling to New York.
Do you have any bags to check in today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay, here it is.
The weight is fine.
That is good to hear.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your flight leaves at 3 p.m.
How much time do I have now?
You have plenty of time before boarding.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Your seat number is 24A.
Is it near the window?
Yes, it is a window seat.
I like window seats very much.
Boarding starts in 1 hour.
Where is the gate number?
Gate number 12.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
I was nervous before.
That is very normal.
Now I feel confident and calm.
Enjoy your flight today.
Thank you very much. Coming late to the office.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning. I am very sorry I am late today.
I noticed the time. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay now.
Can you tell me what happened?
There was heavy traffic on the road.
I understand. Traffic can be difficult.
I left home early, but the bus was very slow.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
I feel bad about being late.
I appreciate your honesty.
I will be more careful next time.
That is good to hear.
I respect my work and my time.
I know you work hard.
Thank you for understanding.
Please try to inform us next time.
Yes, I will call before.
That will help a lot.
I will start my work now.
Yes, please do.
Thank you for your patience.
You are welcome.
I feel relieved now.
Let us have a productive day.
Yes, I am ready. Leaving the job.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You wanted to talk with me today.
Yes, I wanted to share something important.
Please go ahead.
I have decided to leave my job.
I see. May I ask the reason?
I want to focus on my studies.
That is an important decision.
It was not easy to decide.
I understand that feeling.
I learned a lot working here.
You did good work with us.
Thank you for your support.
When is your last working day?
At the end of this month,
That gives us time to plan.
I will help with the transition.
I appreciate that very much.
I am grateful for this experience.
We wish you success in the future.
That means a lot to me.
Please stay in touch.
Yes, I will.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you very much.
Emergency call.
Emergency service, how can I help you?
Hello, I need help right now.
Please stay calm and speak slowly.
There is an accident in the city.
Can you tell me the location?
It is near the main street and park.
Thank you. What happened exactly?
2 cars crashed into each other.
Are there any injured people?
Yes, one person looks hurt.
Is the person conscious?
Yes, but they look scared.
Help is on the way.
Thank you. I am very worried.
You are doing the right thing.
Should I stay here?
Yes, please stay at the scene.
Okay, I will stay.
Do not move the injured person.
I understand.
An ambulance will arrive soon.
That is good to hear.
You are very helpful.
I am trying my best.
Stay calm and safe.
Thank you for your help.
Register for an English class.
Hello, welcome to the Language Center.
Hello, I want to register for an English class.
That is great. What level are you looking for?
I am a beginner.
No problem. We have classes for beginners.
That sounds perfect for me.
Do you want morning or evening classes?
I prefer evening classes.
How many days can you attend each week?
3 days a week is good for me.
That works well.
How long is each class?
Each class is 1 hour.
That feels comfortable.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill this form.
Okay, I will do it now.
Take your time.
I have finished the form.
Everything looks good.
When does the class start?
It starts next Monday.
I am excited to begin.
We are happy to have you.
Thank you very much.
Online shopping.
What are you looking at on your phone?
I am shopping online.
Really? What do you want to buy?
I am looking for a new bag.
Online shopping is very easy.
Yes, and there are many choices.
Do you check the reviews?
Yes, I always read them.
That is a smart habit.
I want good quality.
Are the prices better online?
Sometimes they are cheaper.
I like online shopping too.
What do you usually buy online?
Clothes and small electronics.
Do you trust online payment?
Yes, I use secure websites.
That makes sense.
Did you find the bag you like?
Yes, I like this one.
The color looks nice.
I agree.
When will it arrive?
It says 3 days.
That is fast.
Online shopping saves time.
Yes, it is very convenient.